As a part of today's launch, we have released assets to build mobile and web applications. These assets contain ready-made templates and screens to build any go-to application. Let's see how we can utilize these assets and build a real-time mobile and web application. Check out the previous video to see how you can use these assets from DhiWise.com as well as using our new Figma plugin. In this video, I'll create a Flutter and React application using these assets available on DhiWise platform. After logging into DhiWise, you will be at the dashboard screen. Here, you can see the three tabs: Mobile, Web and Backend. By default, Mobile will be selected. Now let's see how you can create an application using Screen Library. Just go to New Application and click on Create from Screen Library. For the mobile apps, here you can see the list of applications. I will be selecting Social Media. On the top right corner, here you can see the list of selected screens. By default, these screens are selected, and if you wish to remove it, you just need to click on Remove All. All the selected screen will be removed. I will be creating an e-commerce application for which I need an onboarding screen, product listing screen and product details screen. So for that, I will be selecting screen from these subcategories. First, I will need an onboarding screen, which I will take from this essential category. I will be selecting this tutorial screen. After that, I need a product listing screen. So I will be selecting that from the e-commerce category and this discount and offer screen. And after that, I will need a product details screen, which I will be selecting that from photos and views. Here, you can also search screen. And I will be adding this screen into my screen list. Here you can see all three selected screen will be there. And after that, I will be creating the application. So let's click on Proceed. Let's give the application name here. Here, choose the technology. Flutter will be selected as by default, so I will just go with it. And click on Create App. Here, it is fetching the Figma resources for creating the application. As you can see, the application is created successfully. Now, let's add some navigation to make this application interactive. I will be choosing the tutorial screen. Here, I want to skip this screen on the skip button. So just click on it, and here I will add the on click. And I will be choosing navigations from all of these actions. Here I need to give the name for the function of the navigation. I will be giving as Now just click on Submit. Here it will ask me choose the type of navigation that you want to add. So I will be adding a screen navigation. Now I need to select the screen on which screen I would like to navigate. I will be selecting discount and offers. Now here it will ask me. Here I will select the finish screen as a close current screen. Now if you want to see the detailed video of navigation, and if you don't know how to set a navigation, then you can check the previous day's tutorials or the videos in which all the type of navigation are explained in detail. And here is the add argument. For now, I don't need any argument, or I don't need to pass any argument, so I will be skipping that and I will just doing the save changes. So as you can see here, the navigation is successfully set. Now let's move to another screen. Let's go to discount and offers. Here on this item, I want to move to a detail screen. Select this, go to this, give the on click. Again, choose the navigation action, give the name, click on submit. Here you need to give the navigation type. Here need to select the screen. And here we need to select the type for the finish screen. Now click on Save Changes. As you can see here, the navigation action is added successfully. So previously we have seen how to create a mobile application by the help of screen libraries. Now let's see for the web applications. Just go to web, just click on new application and choose create from screen library. Here you can see the categories of application. I will be choosing social media. First, let me clear the selected screen. These screens are selected by default. So let me remove them first. Now I will select the screen as per my requirement. I want to create an e-commerce application. So for that I need an onboarding screen, product details screen and product listing screen. Let me take an onboarding screen from Essential. I will be selecting the tutorial screen for the onboarding. After that, I need a product details screen. Here, I will be selecting a discount and offer screen. Now, lastly, I need a listing screen. I will be selecting the photo viewer screen. So now you can see all the three screens has been selected now. Let's create an application. So for that, just click on proceed. Give the application name here. Just click on create app. As you can see, the Figma fetching is done here. The application is successfully created here. If you would like to set a navigation, then it would be same as we have done in the mobile applications. Wrapping up with this, DhiWise has many more surprises yet waiting for you. We are coming up with more demo videos and detailed discussions on the generated code, quality, and much more. Stay tuned for DhiWise Launch Week 3 to know more.